Hi friends, it's Miss Diana again, and today I'm going to teach you how to do another experiment with your food coloring. So, I actually had a white flower in my house, but you can use a white carnation or a white rose. It's totally up to you. So you can do it with both. Now, this is a science experiment, and even some of them take just a short period of time so you can see the results. This experiment actually takes longer, so I'll record myself right now showing you how to do it and how to start the experiment. But then, day by day, we will see a process to see if these flower petals change. So we will see what happens after a few days of checking our flower, okay? The only thing you need is a plastic cup or a glass cup, and then we're going to add water to it. When your water is ready, you're going to grab the food coloring that you have. And I'm going to choose this time blue, because that's another color that I have here. And I'm going to put 10 drops of food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Can you see the... Okay. Now we're going to put the flower inside, okay? And can you see that I cut it a little bit so it's shorter? Okay, and I just want the stem to be down. I don't want the petals to be touching the water, just the stem. And I'm going to let it that way. So friends, I actually did another of the flowers that I had, and I added green on it, and guess what happened? Look, the flowers, they changed colors. And over here we have the blue one. Let me show you. Look, I'm gonna send you some pictures. I'm gonna put some pictures over here so you can see the difference. Hope you like this experiment. Bye.